from outside the parliament, you have the TMC leaders protesting again. They are holding a red booklet of which says Sahara, and they're protesting against the BJP government at the center. These are the TMC leaders who are again putting more pressure on the government. In fact, last week also we saw the TMC leaders coming up with a protest and clobbering support against the government on the black money issue, where their MPs were sitting outside the parliament. We have Aishwarya joining us with more details. Aishwarya.
Well, absolutely. TMC member of parliament protesting right outside the gate number 1 of parliament, right next to the Mahatma Gandhi statue, raising the name of the BJP national president Amit Shah, stating that his name is there in the Subrata Roy Sahara's diary, keeping in mind that there's a huge chit scam which is rather lined up against Subrata Roy, against whom he is already in the Tihar jail for the last few months, and now TMC leader is raising none other but the top BJP leader and the national president Amit Shah's name regarding it, is rather making it clear that TMC is going to take on the BJP on this very issue. We have seen that how TMC has been on the back foot as far as the Bardhaman blast case is rather concerned, and that is why they have rather upped the ante on these very issues. Earlier it was the black money issue, and now it is the Subrata Roy Sahara's diary, in which they claim that there is BJP national president Amit Shah's name.
Well, from black flag protest to now the red diary protest, as you can call it, by the TMC MPs. But there is no denying, Aishwarya, these are the reverberations from the Bengal turf war, which is being seen in the capital by the TMC after the BJP president Amit Shah addressed the rally in West Bengal, aiming directly at the Mamata government.
Well, absolutely. That's why I said, because TMC has been on the back foot as far as the Bardhaman blast case has been concerned. We have seen that how Trinamool Congress chief and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee herself has been rather hitting out on BJP, and now TMC leaders protesting first on the black money issue and now raising this Amit Shah regarding Subrata Roy Sahara's diary. Makes it very clear that they are under pressure and they are going to up the ante on every issue which rather comes by, because they want to divert the attention from the Bardhaman blast case to BJP agenda. But as of now, protest continues right next to the gate number 1 of parliament. Mahatma Gandhi statue. TMC says they will raise this issue in the parliament as well. That is the BJP national president's name, which is there in Subrata Roy Sahara's diary. This is what TMC is claiming as of now.
We do see the TMC MP Derek O'Brien also there at the site in the parliament, gate number 1, as Aishwarya is telling us, where they are protesting against Amit Shah. And this one is relating to the diary in which the TMC alleges has Amit Shah's name in the Sahara scam. And remember, there was last week also the TMC MPs were protesting, and that was on the black money probe. But what's interesting last week was that the other political parties, we saw the Samajwadi Party, Mulayam Singh, joining in the protest, but today it seems this protest is only by the TMC MPs. So there was an attempt last week by the TMC to get the anti-Modi bloc together, but will it happen today or not remains to be seen. The parliament has started. Aishwarya, tell us if you see the other parties also joining in the protest, or this seems to be a solo attempt by the TMC.
Well, as we mentioned last week, we have seen that how TMC had been protesting on this very black money issue. But then we saw a party such as JDU, Samajwadi Party, also joining at that point of time, and then TMC had tried to create an...
Called Sri Ashok Ganguly, please. No. I tell you, I will call when your chance comes. Your name is here. No, please. It is not going on record. No. Yes. No, please. It is sheer indiscipline what you are doing. I am telling you. No, number, I told you it is there. It is there. Sit down. Dr. Ashok Ganguly, please. Dr. Ashok Ganguly. No.
हाउस में टेबल करने के लिए बोला और सीबीआई को बताया, इसका विषय में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के माध्यम से ये रेड डायरी के विषय पर पूरा तरह से उन्होंने बयान दिया जाए।